it's a big loud roar. It's the Lion King, hear him roar some more. Yeah, roar, roar. Monkeys swing and laugh all day, is what they say. We clap and dance and stomp the floor. Animal adventure, we want more. Animal adventure, wild and free. Come explore with you and me, from the jungle to the deep blue sea. Let's find out who will meet and see. Now we dive in the ocean so wide, with dolphins jumping by our side. They click and squeak and spin around, is their happy sound. Then a crab goes sideways on the sand, snip, snap, claws like a marching band. A whale goes woo, so deep and low. Let's swim with friends wherever we go. Animal adventure, wild and free. Come explore with you and me, from the desert to the forest trees. Let's find out who will meet and see. In the forest, owls say woo woo woo. Foxes sneak with eyes so blue. Rabbits hop and deer run fast. We wave goodbye as they dash past. Now our trip has reached its end, but every animal's still our friend. Next time we go, just sing this song. The wild world's where we all belong. Animal adventure, wild and free. Thanks for coming along with me, big or small, on land or sea. You're a part of nature's family.